Hello dear students. So today new topic, this topic name is mathematical induction. So mathematical induction in your PUC textbook you have this is the fourth topic. Very rarely 0.01% only will ask question on this model in JEE mains. In JEE exams almost no one will ask any question from this topic. But in CET, Karnataka CET, compulsory every year one question on this model. Every year one question on this model in the Karnataka CET. So today there are totally two lectures are there. Today first we will start the first lecture. So this mathematical induction. So here for this mathematical induction, very easy, simple method is there to solve. So first of all, I am going to know the formulas for this mathematical induction. Directly we can solve. So I am going to write the first question. 1. This is called into not 1.6. This is not 1.6. This is the 1 into 6. Next one 2 into 9. Next one is the 3 into 12 plus up to so on n into 3n plus 3. n into 3n plus 3 equal to. This is the first question. Student, the question is not point. This is 1 into 6, 2 into 9, 3 into 2n plus up to so on n into 3n plus 3 equal to. So for this mathematical induction, actually theory there is a separate method is there. First of all, we have to take n is equal to 1. We have to prove true. Next one is that assume that n equal to k is true, and finally we have to prove that n is equal to k plus 1 also true. So totally 3 we have to prove. In theory I am telling you. In theory first we have to prove n equal to 1 is true. Means LHS equal to RHS. Next one n equal to k. Next one n plus k. This is the theory procedure. But while coming to the competitive, no need this one. The shortcut is there only for mathematical induction. Almost 99% all problems with the same model. So first of all, we need the options for this process. The options are, I am going to write the first option, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5. n plus 1 into n plus 5 by 3. And the second option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. Next, the third option is there, that is the n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. And last option is there, that is the option n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Children, this mathematical induction, the easy method is always to take n is equal to 1. There only 90% you will get the solution. So n equal to 1 to substitute in the options. Which option you will get the same first term. Here what is the first term in the question? The first term in this question is 1 into 6 means 1 into 6 means 1. One second. Right. Now here 1 into 6. 1 into 6 means 6. Means, my dear children, you substitute in these four options n equal to 1. If it get the answer 6, because the first term 1 into 6 means 6. If the answer is 6, that is the correct option. So you get it out. Sir, suppose if n equal to 1, these three options also we got the same thing. Then you go for n equal to 2. n equal to 2 means this term. This is the first term plus second. Okay, I'll take some examples you can able to understand. So first of all, you take n equal to 1. You take n equal to 1 and substitute in the first equation. In the place of n you put 1. So 1 into, the options are here 1 into, here 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 by 6. So we know it 1 plus 1 is the 2. The answer I am telling 2. 5 plus 1 is the 6 by 3. So 3 how many times cancel? 2 times cancel. So 2 2s are 4. So this is not the option. Why? Because we want first term 1 into 6 means 6 we need the answer. In the place of n, if you put 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 1 6 by 3, 3 2 times 2 2s are 4. So first one is not a option. Then we will go to the second option. Second option is, here you put in the place of n 1 plus 1, next one is the 1 plus 2 by 3. So we can write this one, 1 plus 1 is the 2, 2 plus 1 is the 3 by 3. 3 cancel. What is the answer? 2. So 2 also not an option, first one also not an option, because the first term 1 into 6 means 6 we need the answer. Then we will go to the third option. In this third option, in the place of n write down 1 into 4 into 1 square plus 6 into 1 minus 1 by 3. So 1 square means 1, 1 4s are 4, here 4, 6 1s are 6 minus 1 by 3. So here what is the answer? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 1 is the 9, 9 by 3. So what is the answer? 3 is the answer. So this one also incorrect option. Now lastly we go to the fourth option. In the place of here you write down 1 into 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. So what is the answer? 1 plus 1 is the 2, 2 plus 1 is the 3. So 2 3s are how much? 6. So my dear children, if n equal to 1, here the first option is 6. So we need the answer also 6. First option is 4, it is not the answer. Second option is 2, it is also incorrect. Third one option also 3, it is also incorrect. What is the correct option? Fourth one is the correct option. Because the fourth one, if you substituted n equal to 1, 6. In the question also first term is the 6. It is a very easy method to trace out the answer in mathematical induction. I hope you people are understood. Now, we'll take another example, second problem on this model. Now, another problem. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 plus up to so on plus 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2 is equal. So I said in the mathematical induction, very easy method. You put n equal to 1 in the options. That's it. So here what are the options? The first option is given n by 2 into 3n plus 2. This is the first option. And second option is n by 2 into 3n minus 2. Next the third option is 2 into 3n plus 2 by n. Here 2 is there. 2 into 3n plus 2. Next option is 2 into 3n minus 2 by n. So here total 4 options are there. So we have to find which option is correct. Same story, put n is equal to 1. In the first one, in this place if you substituted 1 by 2 into 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. Wherever n is there, there you substitute 1. So n plus 1. 1 by 2 into 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is the 5. So what is the answer? We got it to 2 5s are 10. Now come to the point. This is the first option. Next you go to the second option. In the second option, in the place of n write down 1 by 2 into, here 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 2. So what is the answer, children? 1 by 2, because 3 minus 2 is the 1. 1 2s are 2. Next we'll go to the third option. In the third option also, if you go to the third option, in the place of here you write down 1, that means here you put 1, then 2 into 3 ones are 3 plus 2 by 1. So 3 plus 2 is the 5, 5 plus 2 is nothing but 3 plus 2, 5, 5 2 is the 10. We'll go to the fourth option. Fourth option, in the place of here put 1. That means 2 into 3 into 1 minus 2 by 1. So then we can write the value 2 into 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 3 is the 1, 2 ones are 2. Now these are the options. Now we'll check which option is correct. What I said, n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means here the first term. What is the first term? 1 by 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10. So what is the answer we want? We need the answer 1 by 10. So check here, first option is 1 by 10. So first option is correct because second option is 1 by 2, third option is 10 and fourth option is 2. So these three are not. So which one is the correct answer? 1 by 10. That means first option is the correct. So in this manner children, for CET, Karnataka CET, compulsory questions on this model. Okay, now we go to the next question on this model. The question is next third question. 7 to the power of 2n minus 48n minus 1 is divisible by options. First option is 25, second option is 26, third option is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fourth option is 2, 3, 0, 4. He given totally 4 options are given. He said this one is divisible by which number? I said the easy method. First you substitute n equal to 1. Actually first you take n equal to 1. You substitute here in the place of n1 means 7 to the power of 2 ones are 2 minus 48 ones are 48 minus 1. In the place of n you put 1. So 2 ones are 2, 48 ones are 48. So we know it 7 square means 49 minus 48 minus 1 is the minus 49. 49 minus 49, what is the answer? My dear children, here very important point, remember 0 is divisible by whatever number. Why sir? Because of that 0 by any number, 0 by any number is equal to 0. Means the meaning is 0 is divisible by any number. Means now this 0 is divisible by this one, this one, this one, this one. So 4 options are correct. Here the problem is 4 options are correct. Then n equal to 1, 4 options are come. This is a rare case. Then you go for n equal to 2. Atta the students. So n equal to 1 means 0. 0 is divisible by 4 numbers. Then you will go for n equal to 2. So you substitute n equal to 2 in the place of n2. Means here 2, here 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 to the power of 4 minus 48 into 2. Wherever n is there you put a 2. Because n equal to 1, 4 options are correct. So 7 power 4. 7 power 4 means 49 into 49. So 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 36 44. 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 is the 19. 1 note, 10 note, 14 note, 2. So what is the answer? 2, 4, 0, 1 minus 48 2s are 96 minus 1. So if we can simplify this value 2401 minus 97. If we subtracted 11 minus 7 means 4. And here 10 is there, sorry 9 is there, 9 minus 0, 2, 3, 0, 4. So what is the answer? 2, 3, 0, 4. Look here my dear children, 2, 3, 0, 4 option is here. So 2, 3, 0, 4 will divide this number. So this is divisible by which number? 2, 3, 0. It is a very easy method. It's 99% n equal to 1 if you take it out, you get the answer. Only rare cases, see. N equal to 1 I took, I got the answer 0. 0 is divisible by 4 options. Then next you go for n equal to 2. N equal to 2, then I got it the value 2304. 2304 is divisible by only 2304 only. So what is the option? Fourth one is the option. Okay. Now I am going to the another sum. Fourth sum now. The fourth question is 7 power 2n. Same model, another question. 7 power 2n plus 3 to the power of n minus 1. 7 power 2n. Next one is a 3 power n minus 1 into 2 to the power of 3n minus 3. 2 power 3n minus 3. 7 power 2n plus 3 power n minus 1 into 2 power 3n minus 1. So, is divisible by. This is the question. Is divisible by. Same model just now we did here. Same. So, is divisible by. So, here he given the options also given. What are the options, sir? The first one is the 7 and second option is 9. Third option is 25 and the fourth option is 26. So, there are 4 options are there. So, same story. First what we have to do, we have to take n equal to 1. If you put n equal to 1, then 7 to the power of 2 ones are 2 plus 3 to the power of 1 minus 1 into 2 to the power of here 3 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 3. So student, 7 square means 49 plus 3 to the power of 1 minus 1 0, 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 0. That means what is the answer? 49 plus any number power 0 its value is 1. Here also any number is power 0 1. 1 into 1 is the 1. So 49 plus 1 is nothing but 50. So 50 is divisible by which number? 7 can't divisible 50. 9 also no chance. 26 also no chance. Only 25 can divisible by 50. Because of that this 50 is divisible by 25 because 25 2s are 50. This is an easy way to find out the values. Now we'll go to the next question. Next one is 1 by a into a plus d plus 1 by a plus d into a plus 2d a plus 2d plus up to so on n terms. This is the question. Up to so on n terms. The answers. The first one answer is n by a into a plus nd. Second option an by d into a plus nd. Next third option. What is the third option? nd by a into a plus nd. And the fourth option is there. What is the fourth option? n by a plus nd. So these are the options. Now which option is correct? Same story. We have to take first of all n equal to 1. We have to substitute in the options. First to take n equal to 1. So from the first option, in the place of n write down 1. 1 by a into a plus, in the place of n write down 1. 1 into d, 1. So this is the option. Next, second one. Second option also will substitute. In the place of n write down 1. Means a ones are a by d into a plus d. Why? Because 1 into d. Next we will go to the third option. What is the third option? In the place of n write down 1. So 1 into d is the d by a into a plus 1 into d is the d. Now come to the fourth option. In the place of n you put 1. That means you can write 1 by a plus 1 into d is the d. Now you check out my rational. N equal to 1 means the first term. Here what is the first term? 1 by a into a plus. So 1 by a into a plus d is the first option. Because this is not 1 by and this one also not 1 by. This one is the 1 by, but we want a into a plus d. So this is only a plus d. What is the answer? 1 by a into a plus d. My dear children, it is the easiest way to solve the problems. Now we go to the next question. The next one is 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 15 plus up to so on n terms. Up to so on n terms. Here the options are first option 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus minus 2. And the second option is there. What is the second option? N square plus n minus 2. Next, third option, 2 to the power of n plus n square minus n. Next, fourth option is none. So here given there are totally 4 options are given. He is asking us same story. What is the story, Rachana? First you take n equal to 1. You substitute in the options. 2 to the power of, in the place of n write down 1. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Here also n, here also n. Substitute 1 minus 2. So 2 square means 4. 4 minus 3 is the 1. Next, this is the first option. Now come to the second option. Here n is there, here n is there. Put here n means 1. 1 square means 1. Here also 1 minus 2. So the answer is 0. Next we'll go to the third option. Easy method, my dear children, to find out these values. In the place of n write down 1. That means 2 power 1 means 2 only. Plus here n plus 1. 1 square means 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What is the answer? 2. You check out n equal to 1 means in this question the first term. What is the first term here? The first term is 1. The first term is 1. Means I want the answer 1. Which one? First one is the correct answer because its answer equal to 1. Remaining 2 are not 1. So what is the correct option? First one is the correct option. I hope you people are understanding. Now we will go to the next question. The next one is 2q plus 4q plus 6q plus up to so on 2n whole cube. 2n whole cube is equal to kn square into n plus 1 whole square. Then k equal to then k equal to how much? This is the question, children. He given the one. Next option is 2q 4q 2q plus 2n cube equal to kn square into n plus 1 whole square. Then k value. So here the options are important, but for this question no need to do the options. No need options because he given these two. He is asking k value. So no need options for this question because of that he is asking k value. But the same procedure. What is the procedure? N is equal to 1 to 1. N equal to 1 means what is the meaning? First term. Here what is the first term? Here the first term is 2q is equal. N equal to 1 means first term. Here what is the first term? 2q. There this is the LHS. Now go for the RHS. K into 1 square means 1. Here n plus put 1. 1 plus 1 whole square. 2 cube means 8. K ones are k. 1 plus 1 is the 2. 2 square. So 8 equal to k into 2 square means 4. 4 how many times cancel? 2 times cancel. What is the k value, children? The value of k is 2. See, the question very difficult, but solution easiest way. Just you put n is equal to 1. N equal to 1 means first term. Is equal to in the place of n you write 1. 1 square means 1. 1 into k. 1 plus 1 2. 2 square is the 4. 4 2 times. In the way we will find out. Now we will go to the next question. Next question is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus up to so on n terms. Up to so on n terms equal to. Again, here the options are given. First option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 by 3. This is the first option. And the second option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. This is the second option. Then go to the third option. The third option is n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. This is the third option. And fourth option is there. The fourth option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So these are the options. So same story, we have to take n is equal to 1. So subset put in the percent. So in the place of n write down 1. 1 plus 1 is the 2. 1 plus 5 is the 6 by 3. So 3 how many times cancel? 2 times cancel. So 2 2s are 4. This is the first option. Now we go to the second option. Here also in the place of n write down 1. So 1 into here 1. 1 plus 1 is the 2 into here 1. 1 plus 2 is the 3 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. What is the answer? 2. Now we will go to the third option. What is the third option? Here. In the place of n, here n is there. You put in the place of n 1. 1 into 4 into 1 square plus 6 into 1 minus 1 by 3. So 1 square means 1, 1 4s are 4, here 6 1s are 6. 4 plus 6 is the 10, 10 minus 1 is the 9. So the answer is, look here, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 1 is the 9. 9 by 3 means the 3 times cancel. What is the answer? 3 is the answer. Now we will go to the fourth option. What is the fourth option? In the place of n, here, you put 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 is the 2, 1 plus 2 is the 3. So what is the answer? 2 3 is 6. Now we will check out Rachana. N equal to 1 means first term. This is the first term. What is the first term? 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means what is the answer we want? 2. 2 answer we want. Check here, where we got it up to? First option no. Second option is correct because we got it answer 2. In the third option no, because the answer is 3. And fourth option also no. See how much easy to solve these sums. But theoretically it is very tough. But here competitive level it is very easy for this one. Now we will go to the 90th question. Next one is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5 plus up to so on n terms equal. Then what are the options are there? The first option is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next second option. The second option is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 6. Next third option is n into n plus 1 into again 2n plus 7 by 6. And fourth option is none. So fourth option is none. Now my dear children, same story. First we take n equal to 1 and substitute here. N equal to 1 and substitute here. Then what happens? N equal to 1 here. First option I am explaining Rachana. In the place of m write down 1 plus 1 is the 2. Here 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is the 3 by 6. 2 3s are 6 cancel. What is the answer? 1. Now we will go to the second option. In the second option, in the place of n write down 1. In the place of n. That means 1 square means 1. Here 1 plus 1 is the 2. 2 square is the 4 by 6. In the place of n write down 1. 1 square means 1. Here 1 plus 1 2. 2 square is the 4. So cancel with the 2 table. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What is the answer? 2 by 3. Now we go to the third option. In this third option also in the place of n here put 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Here also 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is the 9. Whole by 6. Now 2 table. 2 how many times? 3 times. 3 how many times? 3 times. What is the answer Rachana? 3. Fourth one is none. So look here. Again same story. N equal to 1. N equal to 1 means this one. So what is the n equal to 1? 1 into 3. 1 into 3 means I want the answer 3. So first one is not the option. Second one also not the option. But third one is the correct option. Why? Because got the answer 3. So what is the option? Third one is the option. This way. Now, we'll go to the next question. That is the 10th question. So this is the last question for today's session. Last question for today's session. So the 10th question. The question is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus up to so on n terms. So children, this is the question. Again the options. The first option is 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5 up to so on n terms. The first option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 3n plus 5, 3n plus 5 whole by 12. This is the first option. We'll go to the second option. The second option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. n plus 3 by n plus 3 by 4. Third option. What's the third option? 2n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. And last and final fourth option is there. The fourth option is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 3n plus 1 whole by 3n plus 1 whole by 2. So children, this is the last option. So how to do this question? The same story, same to same, no changes. First you take n equal to 1, the first option. In the first option you put here 1 into 1 plus 1 is the 2, 1 plus 2 is the 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 5 is the 8 by 2. So, see 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 4 times. What is the answer? 4. Next, second option. What is the second option? In the second option, in the place of n, wherever n is there, then you write down 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Here 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4 by 4. So 4 4 also cancel. What is the answer here? 2 3s are 6. Now we'll go to the third option. So the third option also in the place of n. Here. Put 1. That means 2 ones are 2. Here 1 plus 1 is the 2. Here 1 plus 2 is the 3. Here 1 plus 3 is the 4. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Now last one final option. In the place of n. Here. Put 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1 is the 2. 1 plus 2 is the 3. And 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is the 4 by 12. So 3 4s are 12 cancel. What is the answer? Now we will check. N equal to 1 means first term. See here, this is the first one. What is the answer? 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. What we want? Answer 6. So first one is not the option. And third one is another option for third also, because here 4 48 to 2. Then what is the option? Option second is the answer. So my dear children, these are for today class. We will continue the next class. Thank you.